In this video, I'm going to show you this pattern where you put vertical stripes all the way around the side faces and the top and bottom faces get this cross on a 3x3 Rubik's Cube. Check out my other video showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube, a 3x3, a 4x4, and even a 5x5. So to do this pattern, you do need to start with a solved Rubik's Cube, so you need to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube or have a solved Rubik's Cube. And you need to know how to use algorithms on a Rubik's Cube too. If you don't already know how to use algorithms, then check out my 3x3 tutorial on how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So to do this pattern, we need to use an algorithm. Unfortunately, it's quite long, but this algorithm is U, B2, R2, B2, L2, F2, R2, DI, F2, L2, B, FI, L, F2, D, UI, R2, FI, RI, LI. I told you it was quite long. Anyway, so let's go through that then. U, B, 2, R, 2, B, 2, L, 2, F, 2, R, 2, DI, F, 2, L, 2, B, F, I, L, F, 2, D, UI, R, 2, FI, RI, LI. And there we get vertical stripes all the way around the sides, and top and bottom end up with this cross. So to undo this pattern and put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube, as always, if we can use the original algorithm, I will teach you to use that. And in this case, we can as well. We want a cube like this, so the cross is on the top and bottom, and we can start from any side face as long as the stripes are vertical. So for example, this one, we'll call this one our front face, and just repeat the same algorithm. So we go U, B, 2, R, 2, B, 2, L, 2, F, 2, R, 2, DI, F, 2, L, 2, B, FI, L, F, 2, D, UI, R, 2, FI, RI, LI. And that has put us back to a solved Rubik's Cube. Hope it helped, guys, and thanks for watching. For more Rubik's Cube patterns, check out my other videos. And also, if you know of any other Rubik's Cube patterns that you'd like me to make a video of, then feel free to leave a comment in the comment section with the algorithm, and maybe I'll make a video of that in the future. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.